Alrighty, off to the homeless base. Oh. Here we go. You know how hard it is to find this sucker? He even got a path to it. That's interesting. I will officially admit, I have no idea I think this is it. Oh. Okay. We actually need to go to that building right over there. Ooh. But like, seriously. Because I believe this whole system under us is tunnels. Because there is an open tunnel. The problem is I'm not going far in it. Yeah, like, see out, like, just trying to find, trying to find safe passage. Especially with all this leaf litter that I'm falling on. I guess we're gonna walk this dangerous footpath that is like on a hill and lopsided. Remember when you're walking on gravel, duck feet. And the worst part is all this leaf litter and not good shoes for this kind of impromptu activity. But just like, look out, you know? And we're in basically the middle of the city. Here you can see the flooding that can happen. Now, like I said, I have no idea how far this goes back or where this goes back to. So you gotta give me a second here. Get my bearings. Oh, we're just on that giant hill, okay. But there's the river if you can see it. You know what? It'll be easier if we do that on the way coming back because I don't want to go through all this BS here. Let's just go down to the bonfire building next. So if I'm gonna get chased by homeless people, I'd rather do it on the way out. And seriously, just look at all this graffiti around here. No stone or brick unturned. Holy crap. Look at it. The brick's literally melded into the tree. It's beautiful. Oh, yeah. Definitely not taking this way back the way I came, for sure. The worst part is, I'm the only one who knows I'm here, which is never a good thing. Always tell someone that you're going out in nature. Because, let me tell you, if I didn't know this layout really well, or at least pretend to, I'd be fucking lost. But, as you can see, bonfire building, we're not lost. Reason why we call it the bonfire building is because this building right here, there are two of them. I'll show you both. Let me just, like, seriously, all that. You know how much easier, guys, this would be if I had a GoPro still? Like a computer that actually worked, and the time and effort it takes to edit it. But yeah, here we are, the bonfire room. One of many bonfire locations. As you can see, a lot of fireworks. Oh, wow. Someone was here recently. That's usually a good sign. We got the classic game wraps. That's just metal. Yeah. We'll go up top next, but look at those perfect skylights. And like down here, perfect for bonfires. Interesting. Okie dokie. Now, we are technically entering the wrong side of this building, but like, perfect fishing location too on the river. It's ridiculous. But I have no idea what this building is. This is usually where the airsofters and stuff would meet up in this on the top of this building here. Like I said, give me a second. We'll go on to the top of both buildings soon. Just need to find the fucking door. Like, isn't this some crazy stuff? Well, someone was getting drunk and eating raisins. And, yep. This is why you always wear a closed-toed shoe, guys, when you're out and about. You never know what you're going to come and find. Like, literally where everyone drops their cigarella wraps. Someone's having a party. Jesus. But yeah, here's the other hole. Probably can't see down there, but if you can, let me know. But yeah, that's an unsafe part of that building that we're not going in. Nor do I have the equipment to go in right now. Glow sticks, huh? Now, wow. You see, I wish I was invited to these parties. You know? Be nice. And then both of the rooms end like this. So it's just like three giant holes. Let's go in the right one now before we go up top. Wow. Interesting. This is where they store the firewood. I'm more surprised this place has never been booby trapped. Like, at all. For whatever reason. But yeah. Nothing cool here, scavenge or whatever. Let's go up top. Oh, shh. This is why I hate glasses too. They screw up my peripherals. Worst part is I need them more. Ugh. And as you can see, there's nothing really in there. It's just like the outlet for the smoke and shit, and artwork. Ugh. Whew. Oh, fuck me. I had the worst, like, vertigo ever. Okay. Holy. Can you tell I don't like heights? Especially very questionable ones. Here's that. Anyway, guys, I gotta get going. People are calling me to get home for Thanksgiving. So, this is part 1. Part 2 will be coming soon, whenever I get the chance to come up here next. Anyways, guys, this has been Apex. Peace.